They told me, if it's not broken, don't fix it. So I fixed it anyway. And then I fixed it again and again and again, until it finally broke.
So the trusty old Chariot, the Triton, it's not starting on cold mornings. It's not even wanting to start after it's warmed up, actually. So yeah, we're going to have a look and see what's going on with it. What's going on with it, Banjo? Do you know? Can you fix it? Hey? Looks like the glow plug's system's working from here, just on the dashboard anyway. However, once it's glowed, oh, it started this morning. There you go. But you can tell it's getting plenty of fuel. That's from trying to start it the other morning. It's just what's sitting in the exhaust. Plenty of diesel in there. So I'm gonna have a look at these glow plugs and see what's going on. Every time I come out to video this is the second time now it starts. But anyway, I'm gonna follow through with it this time. Every other time I've just thought, oh well, it's going, don't worry about it. But I'm going to follow through and see what's going on this time. I have this little Autel electrical circuit tester, so I'm going to give this a try. I've never used it, so we'll put it to good use, and maybe it's a bit of a review at the same time of that thing. So open the bonnet. What I'll do first is I think I'll disconnect the get under here, I'll show you. What I might do is just test these glow plugs. I'll take this CAN bus or CAN bar off, bus bar, whatever you call it, and just test the continuity on the glow plugs for one, and then test the power that's going to them after that. So I'll go and grab myself a 10mm or 8mm, whatever that is, and pull that off and check them out first. So the first thing I'm going to do, I mean that looks like it's making good contacts there, but I'll give them a bit of a buff. And what to do with the other one? Where to put that? Oh yeah, that actually looks like it might be making a very ordinary connection there. So I'll clean all them up first, then come back and test the continuity on the glow plugs themselves. This little kit comes with a cigarette lighter, and a couple of alligator clips and a long extension, just to power up the unit itself, so you can click directly on a battery. And with that long extension you can work on a caravan or a trailer or anything like that. So anyway, let's connect it up and see if we can figure out how to use it, get the ohms and volts and everything else. Making a beeping sound anyway. I don't want volts. Let's, what do I do here? How do I, oh, volts, ohms, there you go. Simple as that, we're on ohms now. So that button down the bottom, scrolls through your menu. AC volts, DC volts. And yeah, so it's, obviously that's open circuit. Alright, let's test these glow plugs. Chuck this one on earth, a good earth. Which, well, if that, considering that as an earth going to it, we'll try that one. If that earth doesn't work, then maybe I've got an earth problem. Geez, I can't quite get in there. Get a bit of a scratch. Actually, let's just put it on volts and see if I've got a good connection. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Right, flicker back to ohms. And see what we got on each of these glow plugs, I suppose. Yeah. Oh, that's open circuit glow plug. 33.2 ohms, which is a lot. That's an open circuit. $62.6K. Like that's a lot too. So here, I think these glow plugs might have had the dick. I knew that. Fuck yeah. Landed right on the, and 5.1. They should be between about 0.5 and 1.5. So anyway, I'm going to rip these glow plugs out and see if I can find some new ones. So by all accounts, this was the only one that was sort of working half decently. Well, when I say half, it's pretty much, what was it, 3.5 ohms. So not very good. Should be between 0.5 and 1.5, and the rest, this one open circuited. So yeah, that was doing nothing, and the other two might as well not have been doing anything, nothing at what, 36,000 ohms or whatever it was, and 6,000 ohms. They wouldn't have been doing much at all. So the old Rocky was doing alright, starting up on half a glow plug. On you know, 2-3 degree mornings. So that's not bad going for the old girl. Tried everywhere at the usual auto suppliers, but everyone said they'd discontinued the glow plugs out of the Rocky, but I got online, found the right ones anyway. Well, I hope they are. I'm about to open the packet and find out. Just had to wait a week and a half, or 2 weeks, sorry, 2 weeks for them. We'll see if they're the right ones. They look like the buggers. Let's whack them in and see if we fixed it. Okay, let's see how we've done here. Beautiful. Well, that's that one done and dusted. I'm calling that a wrap. If only they were all that easy. Wouldn't it be good? Anyway, till next time. See you later.